Section 3, number 1, it says just to describe the angle relationship. Make sure your question reads this for number 1. Let's take a look at angle 13 and angle 10. Angle 13 is right here and angle 10 is right here. Both of them are on the inside and both of them are across this transversal line. So we can call that your alternating because it is across the transversal line and they're both on the inside, so we call it alternate interior angles. Let's take a look here at 10 and 12. Okay, notice they're both on the inside, so they're interior. However, they're on the same side, so it's considered to be consecutive. So we call this your consecutive interior. Next, 8 and 14. 8 is right here on the outside and 14 is also on the outside. Okay, these are not alternating or consecutive and they're both on the outside. So this actually has no special relationship, so we can just write none. Letter D, we have 9 and 13. 9's outside right here and 13 is on the inside right here. It looks like they're on the same spot. They're both on the top left-hand side of their intersection. Because they're in the same spot, we call them corresponding to represent that they're in the same spot. E, 10 and 11. 10 and 11 looks like they are on the same part of that line, and it looks like they're creating a linear pair, so we can say that they are linear pair. Next, 14 and 13. 14 and 13 looks like they're angles that are opposite from each other, and that makes them vertical angles. All right, these are all the angle relationships here.